Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for a smooth motherboard replacement process. First, power down your Asus K413E and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by unscrewing the securing screws and gently pulling the battery out. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the replacement. Next, proceed to unscrew the back panel. There are typically 10 to 12 screws securing this panel. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove them carefully. Keep these screws organized to avoid any mix-up later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel off, you will see the internal components of your laptop, including the motherboard. Before you remove the motherboard, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will not only help with the new installation but also improve the overall performance of your laptop. Now, identify the screws holding the motherboard in place. There are usually 4 to 6 screws securing the motherboard to the chassis. Carefully unscrew these screws and keep them in a designated spot. If you encounter any difficulty, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation if you need assistance. Next, disconnect all cables connected to the motherboard, including power connectors and any ribbon cables. Be gentle when disconnecting these cables to avoid damage. Once all connections are freed, you can lift the motherboard out. It's advisable to handle the motherboard by its edges to avoid static damage. Now it's time to install the new motherboard. Place it into the chassis carefully, ensuring that all ports align properly with the laptop's casing. Reconnect all the cables you previously detached. Make sure they are snug but do not force them, as this can cause damage. After reconnecting, secure the motherboard with the screws you removed earlier. If you're unsure about any of the steps or lack the tools for this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once the motherboard is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, screw the back panel in using the screws you saved earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your Asus K413E. Check to see if everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. By following these steps, you should successfully replace the motherboard in your Asus K413E laptop. This process not only enhances your laptop's performance but also provides a learning experience in computer maintenance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.